Hi there, I'm Dr. Jill Wener. I am here in my beautiful meditation studio, Conscious Health Meditation and Wellness, in the Kirkwood neighborhood of Atlanta, Georgia. And I'm here today to talk to you about my program, Conscious Health Ally, which is a comprehensive 6-month program for people who are suffering from stress-related health issues. You may be asking yourself, am I a good fit for this program? And I'd like to address that right off the bat so that you know if this is something that may be of benefit for you. If you suffer from diseases such as obesity, diabetes, heart disease, or strokes, if you have insomnia, depression, anxiety, chronic migraines, low back pain, chronic fatigue syndrome, fibromyalgia, chronic Lyme disease, systemic candida overgrowth, or autoimmune disease such as Crohn's disease, ulcerative colitis, lupus, Sjogren's syndrome, rheumatoid arthritis, or multiple sclerosis. And there are several other ones that I may not have mentioned. But if you feel that your symptoms are worse from stress, or that they're caused by stress, or you're having a lot of stress surrounding a medical diagnosis that you've received, this program can be extraordinarily helpful for you. My background is in internal medicine. I practiced for 10 years in Chicago, and about 5 years into my medical practice, as after I finished my training, I developed some pretty extreme burnout, and I found the practice of meditation to be extraordinarily helpful in terms of regaining my compassion and empathy, helping me manage stress, and helping me let go of my need to control everything, which, as you may guess, for doctor types, that's a pretty tough thing to do. And I had also a lot of physical benefits from the practice, including improved depression, anxiety, and some other things like irritable bowel syndrome. So what I've done is I have created this program, Conscious Health Ally, to marry both my medical background and my meditation expertise. So because this practice was so impactful on my life, I decided to become a meditation teacher. I finished my teacher training in April of 2016, and I now teach conscious health meditation here in my studio in Atlanta. I have a unique perspective in the world in that I have this medical training. I have one foot in the Western medical world, and then I have one foot in the alternative wellness world, including meditation. And so I'm able to understand the strengths and some of the limitations of both sides and really bring those two modalities together for my clients to help them on the path of the healthy and happy lives that they deserve. This program, Conscious Health Ally, has 4 components. The first component is conscious health meditation instruction. In order for anyone to make any life changes or new habits, it's important to have a meditation practice, because meditation rewires the way our brains process stress and then the way our brains process pain. The second component of this program is enhanced mind-body understanding through one-on-one coaching. We'll really delve deep into the connection between pain and suffering and our illness, and the mind-body connection and how strong that is, and how we can get control of that to feel better. The third component is I will help you communicate with your Western medical team through review of your medical records and direct communication with your medical team if that's something that you elect. A lot of times physicians on a day-to-day basis, they don't have the time to explain the test results in a way that patients always understand them. Even though they want to, there's not always the time. And there's sometimes not the time to explain the entire medical workup, the reasoning behind some of the tests and some of the medications, and some of the yeses and the nos that patients are hearing from their doctors, and that may frustrate them. And so I will help you understand that. We'll set some wellness goals together, some health goals, and then I will help you meet those goals through review of your medical records and helping you communicate better with your physicians. And the final aspect of Conscious Health Ally is referrals to alternative wellness practitioners that I trust the most. Because of my unique background and my expertise in both Western and alternative wellness modalities, I have a way of bridging the gap and helping my clients who may have reached their limits with the Western medical system. They have some symptom improvement, but they are still suffering, and they may benefit from some other wellness practitioners, or maybe they're frustrated with the results they've gotten and they want to try something different. And that's where I've spent the past few years developing really strong relationships and learning all about different types of alternative wellness modalities, and I can really help my clients on the path to this happy and healthy life that they've been looking for and that they deserve. So how do you decide if this is right for you? I gave the list of diseases that may benefit from this program. And what it really comes down to is meeting with me and hearing what I have to offer and what the program can do for you. The first step towards becoming a part of the Conscious Health Ally program is setting up a complimentary initial consultation with me. That session is an hour, and you can set that up by emailing me at jill@jillwener.com, JILLWENER.com. There's also more information about the program on my website at jillwener.com. And once we set up that complimentary initial consultation, we can set some goals and really make some decisions of whether you think the program will be right for you.